Hey folks, today we are going to try to use the dbt platform API to restore some perhaps accidentally deleted jobs. So you can see here, this is my dbt platform project. I've got 6 jobs here. I'm going to delete job A and B, and then we're going to try to get them back. So for job A, I'm going to just come in here, and then I will go settings, and then this job A I will delete from the UI. And that's gone. So I'm left with job B. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the job B's job ID, which is here. And then I'm going to use the delete jobs endpoint. And then I am going to make sure I send a payload to dbt platform to delete that job. And then I get a success. Now if I go back here, you will see that job is gone. So I went from 6 to 4 jobs here. Now let's go ahead and try and get them back. I am first going to list the jobs that have a state of 2, which is give me all the jobs in this project that have been deleted. You can see here I ran it previously, and previously there were no deleted jobs because obviously I didn't have any. But now when I send a request like this, then we see the data has 2 items in the list. That's because we deleted 2 jobs, right? Or 2 jobs have this state of 2. So let's go ahead and update those jobs to make them have a state of 1. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to do restore job A. So I'm going to copy the job A's job ID. I'll go to the job update endpoint, which is to post to that particular job ID. So you can see here, I'm sending a post to account and then the job ID here. And then in the body, quite importantly, you will need to set all of these parameters that I'm showing you on screen here. You need to pass the account, the environment, and the project, right? So the account ID is over here. The project ID is just here. And the environment 431, which is just here, right? Or you can also go to the list jobs and retrieve them, right? Account, project, environment. So you need to send it with the post, with the update jobs endpoint here, because if not, you are going to get an error. So let me copy this first to show you how that is. So if I, for example, do not send those information, you can see here we get an error, right? So it is required that we send account, project, and environment. Okay, so I'm going to restore job A. Again, this job is job ID. This is the payload. I'm going to do a send. And then I get a success. Perfect. And then let's go and restore job B by going to and getting job B's ID. Let me go here. Now I'm going to do a list of my deleted jobs again. Now you can see we've gone from 2 in the array or list to 1. So I'm going to get the job ID, which is this, update my job. And then here again, all this information is the same. Obviously the name I need to use job B, but what I'm going to show here is I'm going to say restore, right? So this will change the name of job B. So you can leave it as job B if you want, or you can update it at the same time. It's kind of up to you. So I'm going to go and issue that request, and then that is done, right? So now when I go back to list jobs, show me the jobs that have a state of 2. We no longer see anything, which is perfect. I go back to my dbt platform UI. I see job A, I see job B, and obviously, you know, as I said, I sent a post request, kind of updating the name here. So you can see that there. And for completeness, we are just going to do a random test run of our job B restored, just to see that it runs without issue, hopefully. There you go. So, and then, yep, so got my models running and everything. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you accidentally have deleted jobs, you can use the dbt platform API to restore them. And also keep in mind, you need to send all of these things. And here I'm also using an account admin service token, so I have no restrictions. Thank you.